everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 20th to the 24th of July 2020. On Monday, March 30, and Mazetti's horror stout escape from Sudo's custody. London managed to escape from trouble and rob ladies around his little finger. On Tuesday, Santo enlists the help of an informant to find the escape stout. The Dlamini falls victim to theft. On Wednesday, ladies come face to face with the truth. London is a drug dealer and Tati is ready to up her game as a hijacker. On Thursday, things go south in Tati's really hijacking, and Gladys isn't aware of how dangerous the game she's playing with London is. An unwelcome guest shows up at the tavern. On Friday, Sondo is rudely reacquainted with the blast from the past. Things take an ugly turn at the Dlamini house, forcing London to go overboard just as Savior arrives. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Bye, guys.